Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good evening, I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We have round 2 of the fog for tonight. It's beginning to back into the area, and so we are going to see dense fog advisories area-wide through tonight and tomorrow morning, all the way through noon tomorrow. After that, we do have a slight chance for a light mix or maybe some light snow for tomorrow. Going to be a very minor thing. No accumulations are expected. Otherwise, the rest of the forecast will feature some warm temperatures back into the 30s. And plenty of cloud cover as well. We'll see increasing clouds for Tuesday, so that will be our best chance for seeing some sunshine. Otherwise, here's that dense fog advisory. Again, it's in effect area-wide all across the Midwest as well, including the entire state of Iowa. And so visibilities will be less than a quarter mile for a large period of time. And we'll also see the potential for some freezing fog, giving us some slick roads, especially if they're untreated, and possibly some slick bridges and overpasses. Even sidewalks could be pretty slick out there. Future track is going to show that fog already in place, and it continues through the overnight hours. We actually have some more clouds that will try to push in on top of that fog, especially for tomorrow. And we'll likely deal with the fog throughout the morning commute hours of tomorrow, trying to burn off by noon, but we may still see some lingering fog out there, and especially some haze, so we might not completely get rid of it until the afternoon. However, we will continue to see the cloud cover in place, and there's that slight chance for some rain and snow by tomorrow afternoon. It's going to move through pretty quick. It's got some slightly drier air to work with above the surface, so we'll see if any of that can reach the ground. If it does, it's going to be very minor. I don't think we're going to see any accumulations here, so not really much to worry about. And then maybe late in the evening, some clearing, and we'll see mostly clear skies for tomorrow night. But as temperatures drop back down and winds become light, possibly some patchy fog for tomorrow night, but I don't think the problems will be as widespread as what we've seen tonight and the night before. And as far as that visibility goes, again, just seeing down to a few hundred feet at times through the overnight hours, especially in the south, the east. That will push off towards the west, and we'll deal with that into the morning commute hours of tomorrow, trying to lift by the noon hour, and for the afternoon it should be a little bit improved, but maybe some lingering haze out there. So for tonight, temperatures are actually on the rise from the mid to upper teens, and that's coming with a south-southwest wind about 5 to 15 miles per hour. And then for tomorrow, that slight chance for rain and snow shouldn't be a big deal, but we'll be dealing with the fog for the morning. And high temperatures will be in the low to mid 30s, so actually not bad with those temperatures. A little bit more mild air trying to work its way in. We'll stay in the low 30s for Tuesday as the clouds will increase, and then Wednesday, another minor system will approach. I'm not worried about this one either, so just a 20% chance for rain and snow, and there shouldn't be really any impacts with that. High temperatures in the mid-30s, and in your 10-day forecast, kind of an interesting setup here. We'll see partly sunny to mostly cloudy skies from Thursday all the way to the end of the 10-day forecast. That's the middle of next week, and that would include next weekend as well. It's kind of like a slow leak in your tire. We'll see our temperatures slowly dropping down into the upper 20s by Friday, mid-20s by the weekend, and early parts of next week. And low temperatures should be in about the teens. So pretty quiet weather on the way and some fairly mild air, but plenty of cloud cover.